To access the portal, write work-related-learning.com. As you can see, after the first time, you will just have to write W. In the top right corner, you will find Sign In. If you don't know or can't remember your password, click on Forgot Password. There you will write your email address and click on the button Send Reset Link. Link to reset your password has been sent to your email address. So you open your email address. In the meantime, you should have received the email from the system. Notification, your password reset link. Click here to reset your password. You write your email. You make up a password. You write it again just to confirm they match. Here you see your name. You're in. I suggest saving the password so you won't have to write it again in future.